solution we are finding out. But we know that, let me take capital R first. R minus small r whole square is equal to what? Is equal to small r plus capital R whole square minus 4 into this minus or plus, yeah, it will be minus 4 small r into capital R. This is the formula we know about. Okay, these two values are given to us. Okay, so r minus r is not given to us. For r into small r is given. Okay, then that value tt dash can also be calculated, but tt dash is not required here. So this is the relationship. Let me now put the values of this. Okay, so let me solve here. The solution that we find here, solution. We are given here small r square plus capital R square equal to 400, and small r plus capital R is equal to, we have taken as 28 centimeter. Now we can find out what is r minus r. So simple value is, so this is r plus r. Okay, now what is the formula for this? So we know that small r plus capital R whole square, since whole square is equal to small r square plus capital R square plus 2 small r into capital R. This we know about. R plus r whole square is equal to this. Now this is 28. R plus r whole square is equal to, this is 400 plus 2 small r into capital R. The small r plus 2r is equal to how much? Let me just find out this. So from this we just calculate 2 into small r into capital R is equal to 28 square minus 400, and this is nothing but 28 square minus 20 square. So it will be 28 plus 20 in one bracket, in another bracket 28 minus 20. This is 28 plus 20, 20 is 48 into 28 minus 20 is 8. 2, so okay, 2r, let me find out 2r into small, or r into small r. This implies that r into capital R is equal to 48 into 8 upon 2. 2 4s. This value is 4 into 48. It is 48 into 4. Let me put this value like this. Now if I calculate, okay, now we know that since capital R minus small r whole square is equal to capital R plus small r whole square minus 4 into small r into capital R. This we know what? The formula. Now this r plus r square, that means 28 square minus 4 into r into small r is 48 into 4. Okay, so this value is, let me solve it then. So 20 capital R minus small r is equal to square root of these total values. If I take common from this, or let me take it as 4 into 48 is 16 into 3. Okay, so that we can calculate. That is given to us as, it will be, let me solve it, 16 into 48, it will be 28 into 28, 16 into 48. Okay, let me find what is the difference of these two. It is 28 into 28, 8 is the 64, 4, 6 carry, 8 to the 16 to the 32, 6, 32, 6, 38, 8, 3 carry, 2 to the 4 and 3, 7, 784 minus 16 into 48, 16 into 3, 16 into 3, it is 256. 784 into minus 256, 16 into 16, 256 into 3, 784 minus 3, 6 are 18, 8, 1 carry, 3 5 are 15, 1 16, 6, 1 carry, 3 2 are 6, 1 7, 768. Difference is 14 minus 8, 6. Okay, 1 carry. 88 minus 7 is 116 only difference. So R capital R. Now R minus R is equal to 16. R plus capital R is equal to 28. Adding them. So we get what? Twice capital R. Sum of these 8 plus 6 plus 8 14, 4 1 carry. This is 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 44. Yeah, so R is equal to 22, 44 upon 2. So capital R is 22. What is small r? Now if I put this value, okay, 28 minus 22, because R plus R is 28. It's simply that small r is equal to 28 minus capital R. 28 minus capital R is 22. This is 6 only. What is the values in the ratio? So we have just calculated capital R is equal to 22 and a small r is equal to 6. Therefore, R capital R is to small r is equal to 22 is to 6. 2 3 and 2 11 times. So ratio is 11 is to 3. 11 is to 3. Bigger radius, larger radius is to smaller radius. Ratio is 11 is to 3. This is the answer. Okay, this is the question here. So 11 is to 3 is the answer finally. 10th question you have completed. Let us take now question number 11. Question number 11. Let's take question number 11. 11th question says, in the figure shown here, okay, in the figure shown, O is the center of the circle, okay, and on the left, okay, so there are two circles here, a small circle, okay, and this is a larger circle. Smaller circle and larger circle. What is given to us? If there is a P point here, P point. So this is joined here. This is Q point. This is R point. Okay. Then this is center of the circle. Joined here. Okay. Then this point is joined to this S point. Here it is T point. Okay, so and this is also joined here. This is that dotted line, and this angle is 20 degree. This angle is given to us as 20 degree. Okay, and this is O center of the smaller circle. Q, and if I join this, this is also joined. Let me take join this common tangent here. Okay, and if I, this is also joined here. R and S is already given. So this is cyclic quadrilateral. QT was not joined, but I have joined it. This 20 degree forward is given to us. So here we are given in the figure given here. in the in the figure below. In the figure below, shown here, O is the center of the circle on the left. Of the circle on the left. This is O, center of the circle on the left. Alright. O is the center of the circle on the left. The circles intersect at Q and T. The two circles intersect at Q and T. They intersect at Q and T. Okay. P is a point on the circle on the left. P is a point on the circle in the left. On the circle on the left. In the left, on the left. P is a point on the left. Okay. Then P is a point on the circle on the left. Line PQ. Okay. Is extended here. Line PQ. Okay, line PQ when extended intersects on the right. The circle S intersect at R, intersect the circle on the right at point R. Okay. And line PQ when extended intersects the circle on the right at R. Okay. PQ. Line PQ extended when extended intersect the circle on the right at R. Okay. This is also given to us at R. Then what is it? Intersect at R. Okay, and R is a point on the circle. Okay, on the right. Then, and if angle OPT. Okay, and R is the point on the circle on the right. This is given to us on the right. Okay, and angle OPT is equal to 20 degree. Angle OPT is 20 degree. Then find measurement of angle RST. Then to find, what we will find it here, angle RST, this angle, and find angle RST. That is the point here. Okay, this is the point here. Let's now join it. Simple question. Not it, but statements is given browser, but simple question is there. Solution. Now see here what we have done. Join QT. Join QT. We have joined QT. Other things are given here because OPT angle is given here, so this is already joined, not a dotted line. This is dotted line. Join QT, and therefore, and angle, look at this 20 degree, this is also 20 degree. What about this angle? and angle OPT is equal to angle OTP is equal to 20 degree each. Why? This is radius, O is the center, so OT is equal to OP. The isosceles triangle, this angle is equal 20 degree each. Therefore, in triangle POT, we have angle POT is equal to 180 degree minus angle OPT plus angle OTP. Try to understand. Sum of these two angles 20 plus 20 40. Subtracted from 180 will give us angle POT. This is 180 degree minus 40 degree, 20 plus 20, that we write. This is 20 degree plus 20 degree, both are same. This is 180 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 140 degree. What about this angle? Therefore, let me solve it here. This whole I have written down already, so let me find the solution here. Now try to understand. So this angle is subtended at the center by this PT, by the arc PT at center, and the same arc is subtending angle PQT on the alternate segment. Angle, let me take it, angle PQT is equal to half of angle POT. Why? This we know what, as angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice of the angle subtended by it at any point in the alternate segment. This we know what, in the alternate segment or in the major arc or minor arc. In other arc, we can say like that in alternate segment the angle subtended will be half of this. This angle is half of this whole angle. This is 140, we have just calculated. This is equal to 140 degree. So angle PQT equal to, but POT angle we have just calculated 140 degree. This angle will be, therefore angle PQT is equal to 1.2 into 140 degree. Why? Because this is 1.2 into 140 degree, which is 70 degree. This is equal to 70 degree. So this angle is 70 degree. But this angle is 180 minus 70. What is this angle? But this angle is actual angle, so this is equal to this. We know that. But we can just say, but angle RST is equal to angle PQT. Why? This is cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree. But this angle for this is also 180 degree. So this angle equal to this, equal to 70 degree. This is 70 degree here. Cyclic quadrilateral. PQTS or SRQT or QTSR is a cyclic quadrilateral. These two angles are supplementary. Sum of these two is 180 degree. Sum of these two is also 180. This is common. This angle 70 degree or this is 70 degree. This comes out to be 70 degree. This is the answer here. 70 degree. This is the answer. Only angle RST we have to calculate. Find angle RST. This angle 70 degree. That's the answer. Okay, so question number 11 is completed. Question number 11 completed. Let us take now question number 12. Question number 12 now. Question number 12. What did it say? Now it says that if ABCD are the points on a circle such that ABD is an equilateral triangle. ABD. Let me take a circle. ABCD are the 4 points on a circle. Now it says so that ABCD are the points on a circle such that ABD, this triangle is equilateral triangle, it says, such that ABD is an equilateral triangle, okay, and AC is a diameter, and AC is a diameter, yeah, AC is a diameter, you know about this, AC will be diameter, okay, and AC is a diameter. ABD is an equilateral triangle and ABC, okay, and AC is the diameter of the circle. What is the ratio of the perimeter of the equilateral triangle ABCD or quadrilateral, perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD to the perimeter of the circle, perimeter of the circle. So perimeter of the quadrilateral we have to find out. Now it says that ABD is an equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle. We can find out these three sides, whatever these three sides are there. Okay, so that is okay. We can calculate. And AC is diagonal for the diameter of the circle here. So we can calculate. This is diameter. So this is a 90-degree angle. This complete angle is 90 degree. ABD, no. ACD is 90 degree angle. What is given to us? ABCD is our points on the circle, so that ABD is an equilateral triangle. ABD, okay, is an equilateral triangle, and AC is the diameter of the circle. What is the ratio of the perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD to the perimeter of the circle? Perimeter of the circle. So circumference of the circle and perimeter of the equilateral triangle. That we have to find out. What is the quadrilateral ABCD? So this ABCD, the length of the whole sides, we have to calculate here. Okay. So what is given to us? Let me write here. Given A, B, C and D are points on a circle, such that point on a circle such that ABD is an equilateral triangle. And diagonal AC. Let me change this. Okay, let me clean this first. Some black is there. Okay, let me clean only this one. If I just forgot. Okay, equilateral triangle. Second thing is given to us that triangle, and AC is a diameter. AC is the diameter of the circle. AC is the diameter of the circle. Okay, this is one thing. Secondly, AC is the diameter of the circle. What is the ratio of the perimeter? To find here, to find the ratio of the perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD, the quadrilateral ABCD to the perimeter of the circle, that means circumference of the circle, perimeter of the circle. Okay, so we have to find out what is AB plus BC plus CD plus AC. So now these three sides are equal. I mean, these two sides are equal. This side is also equal. Whatever these two sides are there, this is also A. Okay, these two. So if I take, this is the diagonal here, no problem. Now if I take, let me take this ABC is the equilateral triangle. So we have not to take like this. This is equilateral triangle here. What is equilateral triangle? AC is the diagonal, undoubtedly. AC is the diagonal. And here we will take equilateral triangle means AB and AC. If I take D here, no. And if I take B and A in such a manner that D, this is B here, this is D here. Now equilateral triangle means AB is equal to BC, ABCD. Okay, let me take here. This is B, this is D here. No D. D can be equilateral triangle. ABCD, sorry, ABD is an equilateral triangle. It is given to us, or whatever we take this, such that ABD is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. ABD. Now AC is this, so D will be here, and B is here. But this is not looking like, maybe this equilateral triangle, no problem. This is like this, okay. So D point, this is B point. Now what is given to us? These three sides are equal. This is suppose A, this is also side A. BD is equal to this side, and AC is the diagonal of the, diameter of the circle. So what we have to find out, that perimeter of this is 3A of the triangle, but these two sides are 2A only. Okay, and the other side is not known. Okay, so let us take this 60 degree. This whole is 60 degree angle. This is 60 degree angle. This 60 degree angle, and opposite angles are cyclic, supplementary. This 60 degree, this is 120 degree total. 120 degree. Now, therefore, this 60 degree, sum of these two, 120, this is 180 degree. So sum of these two is 180 degree. Here. 180 degree, so 120 is 120 degree, 180 means 60 degrees, so 30 degree each, or maybe 30 degree each. Okay, so okay, sum of these two angles is, because this is 120, so 60 degree, 30 degree each. Sum of these two is 60 degree, no problem at all. So perimeter we have to find out of the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is A here, this plus A. Now this side is equal to, this is 120 degrees. So we can take with the help of angles. Okay, because this side is known to us. We can find out what is CD, what is BC. In that way we can calculate. Because 120 degree is there, no problem. Okay, so this is 60 degree total, and this angle is suppose 60 degree. Sum of these two, this is theta plus 60 degree. If we can calculate these two, then there is no doubt about this. The perimeter can be easily calculated, and this is diameter. So diameter is this AC. So AC can be then what? That can be calculated. So a solution. Let me find the solution here. Simple here. What is that? Oh, sorry friend, camera is full, I'm sorry. I'll take this after 5 minutes time, no problem. We'll see you then after 5 minutes time.